Ruh-roh. What you got?
I don't even know.
Could it be? It only took over a month, almost.
Almost a month for a 2 to 3 day shipping.
Almost a month.
It's for an F150, not a Ram.
Oh my gosh, Ram Air. Send it back. It'll take another 3 months to get another one.
Looks good. Hood.
That's correct.
Finally. They had a box to ship it in.
It's
Finally.
It's over here.
Yeah.
That was why we waited so long, I guess. How long we wait?
Yeah, the first time we waited a couple weeks because they didn't have a box to ship it. And then I called them when I got back from vacation, and they didn't have the little plastic piece to go in.
Air vent duct thing.
Yeah, the ductwork. So they held the hood back until they had this Ram. I'm changing that to F-150 Air.
So it's supposed to be a 2 to 3 day like ship time, and it was like a month.
Almost a month. We ordered on the 29th of June, and today is the July 25th.
Yeah, we were gonna have it on for the beach and everything because we left July 12th or 13th, and they said, yeah, we'll get it to you so you have time to paint and everything, and yeah, they never let them know or anything, and yeah.
Do you remember my debacle before the beach with the tires?
Oh yeah, I see you have your full-size tire back on there.
Yeah. Autosport actually came through and found me a brand new replacement tire. And they were kind enough to get it mounted up for me, and we got it put on the Wednesday, and we left that next morning for the beach.
Yeah, they came in clutch for that because that was like last minute deal. So thanks to them.
Huge shout out to them for that.
We're gonna get some paint and we're gonna paint the inside. That's it, and then paint the top side. So
Stay tuned for that.
you ready?
Yep, let's go.
Here we are, we're ready to paint. A couple days ago we painted the inside of it, and now it's time to do the top. While I was working on a side job, Dad actually de-8'd it all. He de-8'd it with 320, followed up with 600, then a red scuff pad over the whole thing. Threw it on a stand, got paper under it, vac masked it, connected it to the paper. Speaking of the side job I did, look to the left here. This is for a 21 Silverado 3500. The guy wanted his grille, his valance, and his hood vent color matched. It's gonna look really good. He's got there's a chrome strip that goes across this, so it's gonna look good with the white and the chrome. So it was a little hassle prepping that thing. I had like 2 hours in it because there's so many nooks and crannies. You see all these like little slots. Took a little bit to paint, whatnot, but came out really nice. Nobody else wanted to touch it. Every time you take it somewhere and ask, I'm like, no, we're not doing that. Well, here at Justin's Customs, I kill my fingers so my customers can be happy. But,
And it's a work truck, right?
I mean, the thing's actually pretty sweet. Well, we're four guys here, but that utility bed on there with the 12 wides looks pretty good on there. Somebody color matches mirrors already, so I didn't have to do that. But that was a little side job. I actually didn't plan on painting this today because I was doing this stuff, but I got it done in a timely manner. Garage is all cleared out, so before we grab a bite to eat, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this real quick. So let's stop talking, let's get to working. All right, Dad, bend over. You don't want to fill that all the way up because painting the hood, you got to tilt the gun up, and you'd hate to have that come out of that little peephole right there and leak all over your hood. So, tech tips adjusting. Don't fill it up all the way. So while I was spraying sealer, had a little mishap with our airline where the connector is when I put the gun in. It was like had a bunch of moisture, it was like spewing out. So the first pass of sealer I made, it just dropped water dots like all over it. So after I was done sealing it, we swapped out an airline, get a different line because the connection's better for the gun. I was putting color down, and sure enough, same freaking thing happened. So this is our air filter.
Yeah, we need an air filter.
Yeah.
Guys, have any recommendations? Let us know.
Yeah, so we had a little mishap, and so we just took a microfiber and wrapped up in tape, and it seems to work so far. So kind of sucks. There's crap all over the freaking thing, but maybe if I put the clear down, might smooth
It'll
out,
blend. It'll buff.
even out. I mean, I'm gonna sand the crap out of it to buff it. So
We're gonna put like what, 8 or 9 coats of clear?
7.
That's close enough, I guess. My favorite color right there.
Clear.
Clear. What kind of gun are you using?
This is an NS Iwata W400.
Awada. See, that's the problem. It's got WADA in it.
Ah, gosh, dang it!
Got him!
That's pretty good.
It's supposed to come through the top, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
More airflow. So we're getting ready to put the duct work for the ram air hood, and this little butterfly has been chilling out with us all day. I think he's ready to see his Cervinis hood too. He's getting pumped.
Hey man, can you hear me, screwdriver?
He purred.
Oh.
Hold the light straight! No.
Come on now.
Yay, hood.
Yay, hood's done. It's finally complete.
Yay.
Thank you.
Yay.
Looks amazing.
Yay.
Got a little bit of shine to it.
Does it?
A little bit. Let me see, I can see it better from this angle. That way you can talk. I don't need to talk.
It's your truck though.
Oh, yeah, look at that thing.
Came out really nice. I guess it's flat enough.
Yeah, I'd say.
So yeah. Completed the truck. Looks very nice. Very aggressive. So.
Look at all them horses out there. I see them all. I see like purples and reds, and then the multicolored one over there.
Yeah. There's no need to look this way more. Like at all.
Well, I see something a little red there. But
You don't see nothing. Alright. Be sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And you might want to see the next video. Let's just say that.